Greetings everyone, welcome back to Dolly's Singapore Stories. Now, you may be wondering, Dolly, why do you have an umbrella inside? Because in Singapore, you always need an umbrella. Always. It can be beautiful sunshine in the morning. And then rain. Heavy rain in the afternoon. This is Singapore weather. Singapore is near the equator, so it is hot, sunny, and rainy all year long. No winter, no snow, just hot and sometimes very wet. Today, I will teach you 3 very useful phrases about the weather. Phrases you can use every single day in Singapore and anywhere in the world. Ready? Let's go! 4 weather words. First, repeat after me. Word 1, hot. Hot. Hot means very high temperature. Singapore is very hot, about 30 to 33 degrees Celsius every day. That is very hot. Say it. Hot. Word 2. Rain. Rain. Rain is water that falls from the sky. In Singapore, we have rain almost every day. Short, heavy rain, then sunshine. Again, rain. Say it. Rain. Word 3. Umbrella. Umbrella. This is my umbrella. In Singapore, never leave home without one. Umbrella. Say it. Umbrella. Word 4. Humid. Humid. Humid means the air is very warm and wet. You feel sticky. Singapore is very humid, especially after rain. Humid. Say it. Humid. Excellent. Phrase 1. It is very hot today. Look at this. Sunshine, blue sky, but also very, very hot. When you feel the heat, you say, it is very hot today. It is very hot today. Remember, very makes hot even stronger. It is hot. It is very hot. Hear the difference? You can also say it is very sunny today. It is very humid today. Same structure. It is very today. Now, you say it. It is very hot. One more time. It is very hot today. Very good. I can feel the heat. Phrase 2. It is going to rain. Oh, look at those clouds. Dark clouds. In Singapore, when you see dark clouds, rain is coming. You ask your friend, is it going to rain? Going to is how we talk about the near future, something that will happen soon. Is it going to rain? Is it going to be sunny? Very useful. Your friend answers, yes, I think so. Take your umbrella. Or, no, I don't think so. The sky is clearing. Say it with me. Is it going to rain? One more time. Is it going to rain? Excellent! Better get that umbrella ready. Phrase 3. Don't forget your umbrella. Our friend is leaving the house. The sky looks very dark. You are a good friend. You warn them. You say, don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget is friendly command. It means, remember this. It is important. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your homework. In Singapore, this is the most common thing you hear before you leave the house. Trust me. Your turn. Don't forget your umbrella. Perfect. You are a good friend. Now, a Singapore weather conversation. Listen first, then we practice together. Good morning, Dolly. Are you ready to go? Yes, but wait. Look outside. Is it going to rain? The sky is very dark. Think yes. It is very hot today, but also cloudy. Very strange Singapore weather. This is normal. Rain and sunshine. Same day. Okay, let's go. But city, don't forget your umbrella. Yeah, I almost forgot. Thank you, Dolly. Always. In Singapore, the umbrella is your best friend. Our 3 phrases. Did you spot them? It is very hot today. Is it going to rain? Don't forget your umbrella. Now, your turn. Practice with a partner. Student A, you are getting ready to go out. Student B, you are the helpful friend. Switch roles for after 1 minute. Go! Wonderful work, everyone. Quiz time. 3 questions. Ready? Question 1. The weather is extremely warm. What do you say? It is very hot today. Question 2. You see dark clouds coming. What do you ask your friend? Is it going to rain? Question 3. Your friend forgot their umbrella. What do you say? Don't forget your umbrella. Full marks. Fantastic work. You are ready for Singapore weather. Today, we talked about Singapore's very special weather. hot, sunny, rainy, sometimes all in one day. And we learned 3 phrases to help you talk about it. It is very hot today. Is it going to rain? Don't forget your umbrella. In Singapore, we say, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. It changes very fast. So, always bring your umbrella. Coming next in our next lesson, we go to a very exciting place, a Singapore shopping mall. You will learn how to ask for help in a shop, find what you need, and pay at the counter. Very useful. Don't miss it. See you next time. Bye-bye.